Hi, it's Sarah from Amaterasu Beauty. In this video, I want to address a common question, or maybe two actually, on our brow liners. And one of them is, what is happening to my brow liner because it seems like it's already clogged or that no product is coming out. Now, your brow liners, the tip itself is made out of microfiber, and the actual brush tip is very delicate. Any oil, debris, so for example, if you put any foundation on your brow and then powder before you apply your brow liner on, eventually as time goes on it will end up clogging the brush tip. So one of the things or tip that we have shared with many of our customers, and it is online under the FAQ section, is to run your brow liner under hot water and let it run for a few seconds, maybe 5 seconds or so, not too long because you don't want to wash off all your product. And then use paper towel rather than Kleenex. Paper towel is the best way. And then I would just glide the product on the paper towel, and then that will actually remove a lot of debris, oil, powder, creams, whatsoever, even sweat, you name it, and that will clear it, and then the ink flow will be a lot nicer. Another question that I get asked quite a bit is, it's already dry, what happened? Make sure you close the lid. This is very sensitive to air, so if you keep it open, or that it might just, you didn't hear the click sound when you're closing your brow liner, it's like leaving your felt pen without a lid, and we all know what happens to that. Anyways, so that's my my little spill on how to take care and maintain your brow liner.